Hello everybody. Today I received this comforter for reviewing purposes. As you can see, it's queen size. It fits perfectly on the bed of my daughter. As you can see, it's perfect. The color is amazing. We love it. It has a nice pink color that I love it. And as you can see, in the corners, it has these little attachments that, as you can see, are made so you can adjust it under our beds in case that it's necessary. This accessory comes in all the four corners, and I think that it's perfect. This comforter fits perfectly on this side. As you can see, it has it also on this side. And let me show you how it beautiful looks with all the decoration pillows that we use in this room. We love to decorate this way our bedrooms because that way they get a really beautiful combination with the decoration pillows and these white pillows, and all the colors looks amazing with the room. Furthermore, the flower pots combines perfectly with its color, and I think that it's really nice. As you can see, it's a really beautiful comforter that you can use if you want to update how your bedroom looks, and I think that it's really comfortable. Furthermore, it's really soft. It has premium fillings, so give you an extreme comfortable experience. So if you want to change your comforter, I think that this is a great option. See you guys.